How to add tags on Vimeo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can add tags on Vimeo, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to open up your Vimeo account. All right, ensure that you head over to your PC, and then open your browser. And once you're in your Vimeo account, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar and select library. After selecting library, click on the video that you'd like to add tags to. So after selecting the video, you will be brought to the videos page where you'll see the title of the video, you'll see the description of the video, you'll see the thumbnail, you can see content. Scroll down until you can see the option tags. Okay, so once you can see that, just go ahead and add a tag. Now the tag has to relate to what the video is about. So if it's educational, if it's enlightening, just go ahead and add that to it. And then once you're done, you can add categories, you can add credits, you can add language, you can add as many tags as you want as well. All right, ensure you add as many relevant tags as you want, and once you're done, it will be saved automatically. You can now go back and continue with what you're doing on your Vimeo account. So this is basically how to go about it, right? It's very simple. So go ahead and add those tags today. Thank you for watching.